Let us understand what are cost drivers. What do we mean by saying cost drivers? Cost driver is nothing but a factor or variable which is going to affect the level of cost. We can say it as an activity which is responsible for that particular cost incurrence. Example can be the level of activity or volume of production. In this, activity may be an event, or it can be task, or it can be unit of work as well. So if we go through the definition given by CMA, we understand that cost driver is a factor which is influencing the level of cost, and it is widely used in activity based costing. So this cost driver is a factor which is going to link the activities resource consumption with the products or outputs. Example can be number of purchase orders. So if you want to know what is the cost driver for purchase department, it's basically the number of purchase orders they have raised. If you want to know what is the cost driver for production machinery setup, you have to see number of machine setups. And if you want to know the cost driver for testing department, it's basically the number of tests performed. And for inspection department, it is the hours they have spent on product inspection. So this is about cost driver.